How to buy Bitcoin in Coinbase Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin in Coinbase Wallet. To buy Bitcoin using Coinbase Wallet, first of all you need to open your Coinbase application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your wallet account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the bottom you will find various icons. Tap on the icon located at the right bottom below. Once you tap on it, now you will be taken to this page. In this page at the top left, you will be able to see buy option. Go ahead and tap on this buy button, and now you will be taken to a new page. Here in my region, buying crypto is not available, so I'm not able to proceed further. But if it is available in your region, you will be taken to a new page from where now you can proceed further to buy Bitcoin. In the next page, you will need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy or the currency that you would like to spend. The app will convert this into Bitcoin automatically. Also, you will need to choose BTC as a network. Choose the crypto to Bitcoin and then choose your payment method. After that, you can preview your transaction details. Ensure everything is correct before proceeding. And once you are satisfied with the details, you can tap on Continue to Payment or Buy Now button to finalize the transaction. After that, your purchased Bitcoin will be deposited directly into your Coinbase wallet. After completing the purchase, you can navigate back to your wallet to confirm that Bitcoin has successfully added. So by following these steps, you should be able to buy Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.